So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to deposit money into your account on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, I want you to go to the home page right here. So press on the bottom left. So for example, if you're on Explorer, go to the home page. It doesn't really matter, but home page is probably simplest. Then go to the purple bottom left button that says deposit. Once you're here, you can press on cash or crypto. If you want to deposit money or cash, go ahead and press on cash. Once you hear a bunch of different options, if you're in Canada, you have Interact e-transfer, there's wire transfer, Atana custody, as well as credit or debit card. So you can select your preferred method and then go that way. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. But once you press on one of the deposit methods, you can go ahead and change that. You can also go to the top here, deposit CAD. You can change this to the USD, Euro, or CAD as well, so whatever you want. So once again, go to deposit, select on cash, go to your preferred method, then follow the steps that way. Very simple, very straightforward. That is how to deposit money into your account on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.